My name is Helen Lemieux. I am the lead medical lab instructor here at Anderson College of Hamilton. I'm also the regional program lead for the MLAT program here in Southwest Ontario. We are a accredited program through Equal Canada, which is recognized at every employer in Ontario and Canada.
I've heard great things about them prior to my research as well. And when I came in to see the place, it was absolutely amazing. They have a great lab here. Everyone's very personable. This seemed like the place to be, and I'm glad I made the decision to be here.
I did research on a few different colleges in my area, a few different programs. I reached out to all of them. Anderson was the college that got back to me almost instantly.
Everything that I needed was answered right up front. Syllabus, all of the information. She got back to me immediately, whether it was a phone call, whether it was an email.
And then within a day after that, I had an appointment with financial aid to discuss paying for the program. Meanwhile, other colleges hadn't even contacted me yet.
It's a program which includes didactic learning of all the courses that we take. We teach our students how to take blood. We teach our students how to do EKGs. We teach them a little bit about every discipline in the laboratory, chemistry, microbiology, histology, hematology, and transfusion medicine. It's a very intense program. It's very fast-paced. Every module goes into the next one. It's a very modular program, but it flows nicely.
I absolutely love our teacher. She has been there for us from day one. She cares about us.
She's really made a comfortable family-like environment within the classroom where we can all study and work together, and she's just been incredibly supportive.
You know, everything's hands-on. We teach them some theory and then we go into lab.
We are smaller classrooms, we're very close, we want each other to succeed, and our instructors really want us to succeed.
There are two certification exams that we would like them to write when they finish the program. One is the Ontario exam, the MLPAO, and the other one is the CSMLS. And with those two certifications, they can work anywhere.
And then we are on the home stretch and we are heading to our practicums, and we are heading to the end of our program and our graduation.
And once this is over, I know that I will have a good job, and I know that I have a good education. So yeah, very proud.
The advice that I would have for anyone wanting to take this program is that change is good, and you're never too old to make a big change in your life and change your career.
Anybody can do this. The instructors make it incredibly easy and a fun challenge to get through, so just take your first step and reach out.